Hi, this is Burr Stewart and welcome to another train video. This time I got an opportunity to ride CalTrain between the Millbrae station near the San Francisco airport and Palo Alto. So I just took a few snapshots and here they are. Now here we see a northbound CalTrain pusher train departing towards San Francisco from the Millbrae station. All this brand new electrification was covered in the recent Trains magazine article, and it's quite nice. Now this train is arriving in the Palo Alto station once I got to the end of the trip. And the train I'd been on was departing off into the distance. Nice. Here, a couple moments later, that same northbound train at Palo Alto is departing, still leaving a little smoke. And you can see the signal flip from green to red there. Cool. I believe the new signals were also part of the upgrade project. Finally, on the way home that night, back towards San Francisco, I got to look out the front end of the pusher and take this shot along the right-of-way. There's a crossover there you can just barely see in the dark. The constant bell ringing is annoying, but I understand the purpose of it. And I'm guessing that the city we're passing through here has some sort of an ordinance requiring them to turn off the headlights except when absolutely needed. So you see it kind of automatically coming on. I'm only guessing that because later in the ride they seem to keep on the headlight. Now you can see here as we approach the San Mateo station, there's a southbound train on the other track, being pulled instead of pushed. Not too many passengers this time of night. But in any event, I hope you enjoyed riding on my train tonight here, and you'll come back for more train videos on my channel. Meantime, this is Burr Stewart wishing you much fun with trains.